Now welcome to your beautiful home. Metro Guide Realty, your Metro Manila real estate guide, brings you our latest open house tour for a brand new premium townhome development for sale, situated in a secure but centrally accessible location near Tomas, Morato and EDSA, Quezon City. So here are quick views of this beautifully designed development, with each unit having a 4-car garage. And now join us as we begin this property tour. Hi, this is Jake Bautista from metroguide Realty and welcome to our latest open house tour for a brand new 4-bedroom premium townhome development for sale located near Tomas, Morato and walking distance to EDSA here in Quezon City. So right now we're gonna tour you through this beautiful development, but before we do that, let's take a quick look at this property's features. Beginning with the property site plan, it's a private and exclusive 12-unit development with lot areas ranging from approximately 93 to 118 square meters and a spacious floor area ranging from 370 to 386 square meters. For the specific home features, each unit has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a 4-car garage, a powder room, 3 balconies, premium finishes, a ground floor area which can be used as a home office or foyer, a family room, a storage area, a service kitchen, a maid's room, narrow wood planks and railings, clay roof tiles, quality Accendo PVC windows, moisture-resistant biowood, natural stone accents, CCTV and electrical fences, light and air well with a safety exit, and all in a central location that's just 5 to 10 minutes away from EDSA, Trinoma, and SM North EDSA. Now let's begin the tour. Let's go! We begin by showing you a spacious 4-car garage. Now welcome to your beautiful home. This is a great area for a home office and can also be potentially converted into a bedroom. Your ground level welcomes you to this well-lit foyer and receiving area. So you have these LED lights throughout the entire property and you already have a provision here for a split-type air conditioning unit. On another note, you have this elegant wood grain design for the PVC windows throughout the property. It already has mosquito screens and it actually blocks out a lot of noise coming from the outside. So it's quite peaceful and quiet inside the home. And from here, you have access to your maid's quarters and this other door leads to a utility space with stairs accessing the living space in the second floor. Let's now head on over to the second level of this home where you have your living, dining, and kitchen space. Let's go! Now welcome to the second level of your home. Your main living area is well lit with beautiful cove lighting, and this can serve as the main living space for your home. So you can have a nice sala set over here, and it flows naturally in an open concept design to your dining area. Which also has access to a balcony. And from here, I'd like you to take a look at how it connects to your open kitchen space. So you have these 2 countertop areas. So this can serve as an excellent informal dining space. And this is an area where you can prepare the food, and you have well-designed modular cabinetry. And from here, you have access to a storage room and a powder room. And from the kitchen space, you have access leading to an auxiliary kitchen area. Let's now head on over to the third level of this home, where you have your master bedroom and family room. Let's go. Your third level welcomes you to a spacious family room. So this already serves as your third living space, with the ground floor having your foyer and receiving area, your second floor having your Forma living space, and this area being a great family den space that you can use as a movie room or entertainment room. You can even have a large widescreen TV over here. And from here, you have access to your master bedroom. Your master bedroom is spacious such that you can fit a large king or queen size bed over here, and you have plenty of space left over for additional furniture, storage, or even a study area. And from here, I'd like you to notice the elegant combination of the light wooden design flooring, off-white walls, and the wood-grained PVC windows. And from here, you have access to a balcony. So it's a nice additional coffee nook area, and it adds a lot of ventilation as well to your master bedroom. And now let's take a look at your master bathroom and walk-in closet. So the walk-in closet has this elegant modular cabinetry wrapping around the side of the space. And from here, you have a large bathroom area with dual vanities, and you also have your shower enclosure over here. Now let's head on back out. Let's now head on over to the fourth level of this home, where you have 3 more bedrooms. Let's go. Welcome to the third level of this home, and before we proceed, I'd just like to note that this area over here is what we call a light court, but it's basically a ventilation shaft which gives a lot of air and also light to the first to the fourth level of the property. And now let's take a look here at your second bedroom. Your second bedroom already comes with a dresser area and ample storage space. And it also comes with its own well-designed bathroom. Let's now take a look at your third bedroom. Your third bedroom comes with this spacious desk area and storage cabinetry. And the bathroom for this room can actually be accessed from the hallway. It's time to take a look at your fourth bedroom. Your fourth bedroom is spacious with a provision here for a large widescreen TV. So that's how you can orient the room. You can have your bed here and your TV over here. And you already have modular cabinetry included. And you also have a balcony space over here. So this is very similar, almost identical to the balcony and the master bedroom. So this is an additional ventilation space as well for your 4th floor. And it also has its own well-designed bathroom. We hope you enjoyed that quick property tour video of this brand new 4-bedroom premium townhome development for sale located here near Tomas, Morato and EDSA here in Quezon City. If you want to know more about this property or visit in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. If you want to be notified of our future videos, just click that like button and that subscribe button. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista from Metroguide Realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Here's one more look at this premium townhome development for sale near Tomas Morato Avenue and EDSA in Quezon City. Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.